All right, language explorers. So let's look at this week's Wednesday adjective. Complete. Complete. To finish something 100%. Yeah. Complete. We have a completed house ready for you. We have a completed story ready for you. I have a completed novel to sell, to submit. Yeah. This is a completed lesson for you to learn from. Completed, ready. That was a newly completed bridge too. Those houses were completed last year. That bridge was completed a long time ago. A long time ago. Yeah. How cool is that? Very good. So, I completed my tests. No. I completed my teaching. I completed my teaching with that company. Not the same. I completed my exam. I completed my exam last year. She completed her book. Yeah. Or she has a completed book. Here we are, as an adjective. I have a completed completed document that I need to give to you. He is a completed man. He has achieved his goals. She feels more completed now that she has been there. It is completed and ready for the audience. It is completed and ready for the audience. How cool is that? So, they always wanted a complete set. We're building a complete set of all the things. I've been collecting all the books and I will soon have a completed set. A whole set. How cool is that? I'm writing my first complete novel. I have a completed novel that I want to submit. Afterwards, I'll work on the next novel, and it'll be completed in a few months. Completed in a few months. How cool is that? We are buying the complete collection, everything together. We're buying everything all at once. We are buying everything all at once. The complete works. The complete works of an author. Yeah. How cool is that? We have a completed jigsaw puzzle here. Yeah, completed jigsaw puzzle here. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? So, complete, to finish something 100%. Now, can you use complete in a sentence? Can you write the sentence in the comments below? Whoops. And like the video and subscribe to the channel. Yeah. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just look for English with Adrian, And you can find me on Udemy too. Look for Adrian Nanchev. Oops. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.